So the question is, solve the following using completing the square method. X square minus 10x plus 16 is equal to 0. At this point, you are just copying the answer. Okay. And I am going to give you, time is 9:05. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to just copy the answer. Those who have not done it. You can use different colors or you can use whatever you can, but yes, just copy the answer.
Sir, I have a doubt. Upon 2 कैसे आया?
Kaha.
10 upon
Yes,
2
that.
कैसे आया?
Don't worry, I will clarify these doubts. At this point, आपका जो भी डाउट है, डाउट मन में रखो और copy it. The answer would be 8 and 2. Those students who got the answer as 8 and 2, your answers are correct. Okay. And I can see that, yes, Saloni, you have to use square method because that's what we're learning now. Kyayan, your answer is correct. Sujaudin, your answer is correct. और किसका है? Those are the only answers that I can see in the chat box. Just copy this at this point. We have 1 more minute. तो कॉपी करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि डोंट थिंक दैट मैं स्क्रीनशॉट लेके इसके बाद लिखेगा क्योंकि I am going to explain everything based on this question. So I want you to copy. Okay, we are going to give it 30 more seconds.
बहुत इजी था सर यार, मुझे सर 5 जो 3 आ जाता है ना बीच में, वो नहीं समझ में आता.
Okay, how much more time do you need? Just put in the chat box if you need 1 minute more. I can give a minute more extension. Done.
हो गया.
Yes. Nusaba asked me if I can explain these steps. This is what I will be explaining today. So do not worry. This is where I'm going to put all my energy in today. हो गया? I want everyone to finish this. Then only I will continue. क्योंकि important है. Yashant, are you still writing?
Sir, हटा दो.
Finished? Okay. Finished? Everyone is finished? Done? Can I move forward? Okay. I am going to move forward now. Those students who got it, please be patient, okay? I am going to explain it for the rest of the class. One second. Someone's audio's on. I don't know whose that is. Ayan, I think it's yours. We are recording because we want to show it to other students who did not come to class today. So make sure that you are not unmuting yourself, okay? Okay. So, Abhi, what I want you to understand here is, what is the basic logic that we are using here? What is the logic? If you look into your answer sheet, you can see that we get to a step like this. After a point, we get to a step like x minus 5 whole square minus 9 is equal to 0. और हम कहाँ से शुरू किया? x square minus 10x plus 16 से शुरू किया था. So basically what we did is, x square minus 10x से हम x minus 5 whole square पहुंचा. This is the most basic logic of this question. And this is why it is called completing the square. क्योंकि ये एक square है और ये ऐसा है, so how did we come from this to this? So Nursab, I will ask you this: what is the expansion of x minus 5 whole square? अगर मैं आपसे पूछ रहा x minus 5 whole square क्या है, what will be the answer? You can think an answer. Okay, Nursaba, then I'm going to move on to another person. Praveen, can you tell me what is x minus 5 whole square? Complete answer. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ what is x minus 5 whole square?
x square minus 10x plus 25.
X square minus 10x plus 25, correct? तो x square minus 10x वो हमारे क्वेश्चन में है, right? Now I want you to think of what is the name of this method. Completing the square. X square minus 10x, लेकिन plus 25 इधर नहीं है. So what we are doing in this question basically is we are trying to complete the square. Now I will show you some things that I've written. 1 second. The whole method is based on x plus a whole square or x minus a whole square, है ना? ये पूरा method is based on what is the expansion of this one. In all these questions, all the questions of completing the square, question में there will be an x square plus bx or x square minus bx. What I meant by that is सारी question में there will be something like this, x square minus 10x plus 16 में this part is always there, right? X square plus something x or x square minus something x तो रहता है हर एक क्वेश्चन में. So what we try to do is वो पार्ट को हम ऐसा बनाने के लिए कोशिश करता है. x square minus 10x को हम x minus 5 whole square बनाता है. What is this 5? This is half of 10. Suppose if you look into what I've written, we know x plus b by 2 whole square is x square plus 2 into b by 2x plus b by 2 whole square. X plus b by 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 2bx 2 into b by 2 into x plus b by 2 whole square. 2 into 2 is and 2 और 2 कट हो जाएगा, correct? So what we are basically left there to do, what we are left to do here is, if this 2 and 2 is cut, imagine 2 and 2 is cut. ये तो हमारे पास है. We want to add this part also. If we add this part here, b by 2 whole square here, we can straightforward write this. Now to add this, अगर हम एक इक्वेशन में कुछ चीज ऐड करते हैं तो हमको वो माइनस भी करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? To balance it. We can't just add something in the equation ऐसा ना. This is what I've done. अगर मैं ये ऐड कर रहे तो I am also minusing that so that the equation is still common. It is something like अगर एक swing है, एक balance है और उधर मैं इतना दिया तो if I've added something here, I will also add the same thing here to make it equal. That is the idea. And then from here we will be able to convert it to this part. In simple words, if you look into your answer that you've written, when I do the half of this and add, that gives me a chance to convert it into this. ये हुआ तो I can put it as x minus 5 whole square. So this is why we are, like Nosaba asked and Yashant asked, this is why we are dividing this part by 2, squaring it and adding and minusing it. This is the logic. To complete this square, to complete the square of x minus 5 whole square is why we are adding it. So add karte hai to we have to minus it so that the equation doesn't change. This is the logic behind the question. Okay, this is the very basic logic behind the question. So if I give you one more question, do you think you will be able to do it using the logic? Logic is simple.
Yeah. थोड़ा बहुत.
Logic is very simple. आपका x का कोएफिशिएंट देखो, वो कोएफिशिएंट का हाफ करो and then उसका स्क्वायर को ऐड और माइनस करो. That is your logic. Why are we doing this? So that we can convert it into x plus a whole square or x minus a whole square. This, which is why I would like you to remember the name of the method, completing the square.
सर क्वेश्चन तो ट्राई करते हैं.
This is why the name is given as completing the square. Okay, those students who just put it in the chat box how much percentage you have understood. If it is above 60%, we are good. So you put it in the chat box if you've understood. Kev, I got your message. Okay, Kev, it will be a bit hard for you क्योंकि आप बहुत सारे classes miss हुआ है. I will come back to you later. Okay, at this point आप copy करने के लिए कोशिश करो. Okay. Okay. I am getting a lot of higher percentages. What about Alisha, Fareen, Rupesh, Rehan? Okay. Rupesh is saying 55. Alisha is saying 1. Okay. Manish is saying 0. Manish, you have to try. Okay. You can't always expect me to call you after class or separate tuition. नहीं हो जाएगा. आप भी थोड़ा try करना है. Okay. Okay. That is fine. What we will do now is we will try to do one more question. What I will do is I will put the question on the whiteboard here so that you can all see. Question is x square plus nx plus 10x. Wait 1 second.
Plus 25.
Wait, just give me 1 second here. That is
Plus 400.
Wait 1 second. Let me just. I need to think for 1 second to come up with the question. X square plus 10x. Plus 10x will be.
Plus 25 ले लो सर.
12 minus.
मतलब.
This is the question. Now I will give you a tip. The answer should come somewhere as x plus.
Can I tell, sir?
No, you have to write the question and try to solve it in your notebook. ऐसा something आएगा. मुझे पता नहीं इधर क्या आएगा. But this is where you will be coming. You can already see how I guessed this. There is plus 10x here, तो मैं plus 5 सीधा लिखा है because
Sir,
it is
can
the
I
half.
send you?
Yes, you can send me. I can look if you want me to check, you can write it and send a photo in the WhatsApp so I can check there also. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do this. No, not 2 minutes, 3 minutes actually.
Sir, भेज दिया.
Okay, I will check now. Others, if you want me to check, you can take a photo and click send it to me. I have not got it yet.
राइट आंसर नहीं है.
नहीं, मुझे आपका मैसेज नहीं मिला.
नहीं सर, भेजा मैंने.
कहाँ चैट बॉक्स में?
हाँ.
ओके. Ayan, I think your value is correct, लेकिन आप उसका साइन एक बार चेक करना है. साइन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स है.
रुको सर, तो माइनस.
Rest of you, if you've got the answer, you can put it in the chat box.
सर को ये नहीं मिल रहा है, बस x plus 5 स्क्वायर का इधर का.
I will slowly start writing the. Someone is Ayan. I need to mute you. Okay. Yashant, if you have done, you can just send me the answer in chat box. Prachi have sent me the answer, and Prachi's answer is correct.
12 भूल गया था सर. -12.
Ayan, you've got the answer. Sachin, your answer is wrong. I mean wrong in the sense आपका value correct है, उसका sign एक और बार check करो, otherwise your answer is almost correct.
Sir, I have sent in chat box.
Yes, Shans, your answer is correct. Well done. So I am going to write one step one by one. You can check your answers here. X square plus 10x. वो मैं ऐसा ही लिखेगा. Then what I will do is I will add 10 by 2
Square.
whole square. And I will minus 10 by 2 whole square. And वो minus 24 ऐसा ही आ जाएगा. Correct?
फिर 0 लिख देंगे.
Is equal to 0 लिख देंगे. Now x square plus 10x will repeat. What is 10 by 2? 10 by 2 is 5. 5 square is 25. Correct. 5 square is 25. 25 minus 25.
Minus 24
Minus 24
is equal to 0.
is equal to 0. Correct. अभी x plus 10x plus 25 क्या है? x plus 5 whole square है. Which is why I said आपको क्वेश्चन मिलते समय ही ये गेस कर सकता है. Okay. Now what you have left is इतना चीज ये हुआ. भी minus 25 minus 24 is minus 49. Correct? It's equal to 0. Now x plus 5 whole square is equal to when I take the minus 49 to right hand side, it will become plus 49. Abhi, this is the part where you shouldn't get wrong. If you have got till now, got the answer till here, then you should be very careful not to get it wrong here. क्योंकि आपको इसका difficult part already correct मिला है. Root 49 is plus or minus 7. Now x plus 5 is equal to 7, which is x is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. X plus 5 is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 minus 5 is equal to minus
12.
12. If those I am seeing a lot of things in the chat box. Let me just check क्या आया है. Praveen has given me 2 and minus 2. Meshans have asked me send 2 questions related to it, please. I am going to give you a whole homework on this, so don't worry.
अरे ज्यादा नहीं सर, थोड़ा ही.
हाँ ठीक है. तो ये क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को समझ में आया है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those who have not got it, I am going to keep the board open for 2 more minutes.
सर
हाँ
एक बार 10x को हटा के दूसरा नंबर लो ना.
हाँ वो ही मैं कर रहा हूँ. अभी you know where this will get difficult. ये 10 अभी मैंने 2 से डिवाइड किया तो आपको सीधा 5 मिला. Imagine instead of 10 उधर 11 था. तो 11 divided by 2 आप क्या करेंगे? इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. ऑड नंबर है तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे? इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. That is what we are going to do in the next question. Okay.
सर
And
पॉइंट में आएगा ना.
That is my answer. Don't convert it to point. Point में convert मत करो. वो होगा मेरा टिप. वो फ्रैक्शन जैसा है ऐसा ही रखो will be my tip. क्योंकि सचिन जायसवाल I've seen you do it and I think I've seen Sujavdin also do it. आप लोग ये point में convert करता है. Even Fareen does it. What I will say is don't convert into point. वो fraction जैसा है fraction ऐसा ही रखो. Okay. That is the second question that we are going to do now. But just 10 more seconds. I will keep the board open. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, okay. I hope most of you have got it. We are going to do one more question, and this is going to be the thoda difficult part. So see if you are getting it. Okay, and by the time we end this question, this chapter is finished, or this method is clear for everyone. Okay, share. Let me just clear the screen for all points. Okay, question will be x square plus 10 is equal to 0. Now, when I see, I will also give you a tip here. When I see x square minus 7x, ये देखते समय, what I will see the right is x minus 7/2 whole square में already लिखेगा. बाकी क्या है मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन ये चीज तो मुझे पक्का है. What you have to do is you have to fill what comes here and also what comes नीचे. I will give you 3 minutes to do this. If you are finished, you can put the answers in the chat box. Yes, Prachi, your answer is correct. It's good to see that you are very fast on this. Yes, Imran, you have raised your hand. You can put the answer in the chat box. क्योंकि बाकी लोग भी करना है ना.
सर यही वाला नहीं समझ में आता है मुझे बस.
ये वाला आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. सिंपल है, सेम स्टेप्स है. स्टेप्स में कुछ फर्क नहीं है. Okay, I have got answers from Prachi, Imran and Mohit, and all three of them have got the answers correct. Good to see that. Okay. We have some more time here. Let's wait for 1 more minute. Then I will start slowly solving the question for students who are not getting it. When you see it, you will understand it. वो मुझे पक्का है. Okay, we'll slowly start writing. X square minus 7x ऐसा ही आ जाएगा. Then I will think of, okay, Manish have sent the answer to me, and Manish, your answer is correct. Very happy to see that your answer is correct. From 0% understanding up 15 minute में 100% understanding में हो गया. Okay, -7. तो -7 का half क्या है? -7/2. Correct. -7/2 ही लिखो. Whole square. ये प्लस किया तो हम -7/2 माइनस भी करेंगे. -7/2 होल स्क्वायर. ओके, -7/2 नहीं, -7/2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 10 ऐसा ही लिखेगा. करेक्ट. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 0. नाउ ये चीज ऐसा ही लिखेगा, x square minus 7x. Now the tip that I said is do not convert anything to decimal. Decimal में convert मत करो, सीधा fraction में ही रखो. -7/2 whole square will be 49/4. Are you understanding how I came here? 7/2 whole square will be 7 square divided by 2 square. 7 square is 49, 2 square is 4. और -7 square will be 49. -7 whole square and 7 whole square दोनों 49 है ना, तो इधर एक माइनस रखेगा. This will again become 49/4 plus 10. Correct. Now इतना चीज will be x minus 7/2 whole square. Now what you're left with is this part. Now this is not tough. This is mathematics. For minus 49 by 4 plus 10. तो क्या करेगा आप लोग? You will cross multiply this. It will be minus 49 plus 40. 4 into 10 is 40, correct? By 4. If there is anyone who is having doubt how 40 came, cross multiply kiya 4 into 10. Okay. Now this part will come as a niche itself. I'm not writing that down one more time. Will be equal to 0. Now minus 49 plus 40 will be minus 9.
minus 9.
Difference between the numbers and sign of larger number. Minus 9 by 4 is equal to 0. Ye cheez, this x minus 7 by 2 will be here. X minus 7 by 2 whole square will be written as it is. Okay. अभी इतना किया. अभी क्या बाकी है? Now this is simple. Now you are taking this side, this thing to the right hand side. X minus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to.
But still it will be 0.
It will be 9 by 4.
No, sir. If minus 9 goes there, there will be 0.
Which will be 0. Ye 0 hai. This is minus 9 by 4. You're taking to the right hand side. That will become plus 9 by 4.
No, sir. It will into multiplying will.
Multiply नहीं है ना, ये plus. अब देखो ये minus इधर है, हम multiply नहीं कर रहा है. ये सिमरन?
Divide में तो वो साइड जाएगा तो multiply में होगा ना.
नहीं यार ये divide. Oh, okay. I
दोनों
understand.
लेके जा रहे ना.
हाँ वो ही है. I understand your confusion. Just one second. मेरा आपका confusion, आप सोच रहे कि मैं इसको multiply कर रहा है. मैं multiply नहीं कर रहा है. मैं ये पूरा चीज this whole thing को लेके right hand side में जाता है. तो ये साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. आपने जो बोला if I am and actually मुझे ये multiply भी नहीं कर सकता है क्योंकि this denominator is not common ना. अगर ये पूरा चीज का 4 है तो हाँ मैं मल्टीप्लाई करेगा ये 0 हो जाएगा. लेकिन ये पूरा चीज 4 नहीं है. So you can't multiply. Will be equal to root of 9 by 4. Root of 9 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. अरे यार, plus or minus 3 by 2. Now you will be able to do the rest of it, correct? X minus 1 by 2 will be equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. So x will be 5 and 2 is the answer that you will be getting. 7 plus
Hello,
3
sir.
is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Minus 3 plus 7 is 2. Is 4. And 4 by 2 is 2. I'm not writing that step. But yeah. Yes. If you have questions, you can ask now. Yes, Amit.
सर अभी जो 9 है अगर उसी जगह पे 7 आता तो क्या करते?
इस गुड क्वेश्चन. अगर इधर 7 आया तो आप इसको रूट 7, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये रूट 7 हो जाएगा ना. तो आप इसको रूट 7 ही रखो और लास्ट आंसर में रूट 7 by 2 प्लस 7 by 2 रखना है. तो बेसिकली आपको अगर उसका रूट नहीं आता है उसको ऐसा ही रखना है. अंडरस्टूड?
यस.
इफ यू डोंट नो द रूट, कीप इट एज इट इज. तो 9 या 4 या 36 आया तो आपको पता है वो क्या है, 3 या 2 का या 6 का है. लेकिन आपको आया 27 रूट 27 हमको नहीं पता है. सो वी विल पुट इट एज रूट 27. जो नहीं पता है उसको ऐसा ही छोड़ देगा. ओके.
ओके.
And if that is how we have done all the questions in this chapter, if you remember. जहाँ भी ऐसा आया है, we have kept it like that. But that's a good doubt because that is the other variation that will come. Now, guys, imagine instead of 7 I have written x square minus x. ऐसा आया तो what do you
1
think?
1 x minus 1
x minus 1 by 2 होगा,
whole square.
x minus 1 by 2 whole square. इधर जो भी नंबर है उसका half. Okay, this is the only part where you should know. And if it is plus here, we will put x plus. If it is minus here, we will put minus here. This is the logic. Okay. After giving the promise at the start of the lecture, you all promise that by the end of this lecture, we will know what it is. Now, how confident are you? If I give you a question, how much confident are you to attempt this question? मुझे पता है क्या करना है.
समझ गया सर.
Everyone got it? Just put it in the chat box.
Yes, समझ गया पूरा.
Rehan, Hussein, 70% is good. 70% is good because I think you know the method. आपको सिर्फ इसका calculation mistakes हो रहा है. Calculation mistake is something I think we can work on. Okay. Now all that we need is practice. If we practice this question a lot, we will be able to do it. And what I will be asking you to do is, I'll tell you this now itself. Practice at 2.3 में ये questions में आप लोग एक बार किया है वो A and K method से. But this time I want you to try the same questions using this method. Now you will have these doubts. The questions will be a bit difficult in the sense आपको आ जाएगा जो numbers जिसका root नहीं आपको पता है. जैसे अभी अमित ने पूछा instead of 9 7 आया तो क्या हो जाएगा. So root 7 you don't know, right? But you will keep the root 7 as it is. That is how you will do it. So make sure that you do the homework today. Okay. And I saw that what is the name of A and K method? It is actually completing the square method itself here. So that method is called completing the square. So you have two choices. You can use A and K method or this. दोनों completing the square है. But whichever is, I think this is easier, right?
Yes,
Since this
sir.
is easier, you can use this. अगर आप other method में comfortable है, वो भी use करता है.
एल्बर्ट सर,
Yes.
होमवर्क कौन सा है?
मैं भेज देगा group में. Okay. At this
Bye
point,
sir, bye.
I am just